Welcome back. Now let's have a look at the happenings in Margao. SGPDA has decided to demolish illegal construction in Mungul owned by the chairperson of Margao, Gonzaco Rebello. SGPDA chairperson Rajan Naik informed that the wholesale fish activities beyond 10 am will be stopped from 10th December in Margao. Meanwhile, residents at Margao Old Market are fearing a breakout of epidemic due to discharge of sewage in the open nala.
पहिली गेट घालपाची ॲटलिस्ट आणि ते सोपो बी घालता आसतना ते पळय कोण बॉक्स येता तांकां स्पेशल हें दवरपाचें.
SGPDA has decided to demolish illegal construction owned by the MMC chairperson Gonzaco Rebello.
मुंगलार एकल्यान इलिगल कंस्ट्रक्शन केला ताका आमी नोटीस धाडपाक गेले ऑलमोस्ट डेमोलिश करपाचें.
Meanwhile, residents of Old Market have raised issue of sewage being let out in the open, which may lead to an epidemic.
Monsoon season, the water from the chambers oozing out on the road, and the sewerage concern department is unable to set it right. Therefore, now they have made some temporary arrangement of discharging this sewage directly to the drainage or gutter flowing nearby.
ते जो उदक भायर सोडला पळय ते सुरेजाचे म्हणटना आमकां इतले घाण येता म्हळ्यार घरान बसू जायना. भुरगीं सुद्दां आतां बरें नासतना सगळें जाता आसा म्हळ्यार जळारां बी चड जाला आनी ते आतां बंद करूं जायना. अशी सोडल्यार हेल्थाक अशी बरें न्ही ते.
Reporter Savio dies for Prudent.
A new intelligence wing dedicated to anti-terrorist squad has been started. DGP informed that ATS of Goa Police has become fully functional now with 110 special officers. Meanwhile, Goa Police has come up with its first police protocol for women and children. The police has set guidelines to deal with cases related with women and children. There is a plan to post 300 lady police officers next year across the state police stations.
In the ATS, now well-equipped and well-trained officers have been posted.
So now what we have done is that we have hived off we have cut a portion off from special branch because we don't have sanction for everything. So now we have formed a separate anti-terror intelligence wing inside the Goa Police.
Public should come forward to complain against any corrupt policemen. These complaints will be handled by DIG level officers.
Done is that we have made a separate internal vigilance setup for keeping an eye on our own people. You see, you will all agree that police cannot be left unpoliced.
In association with the NGO Bailanto Saad, Goa Police released first draft of police protocol for women and children.
Because many a time when it is a social issue, the police says, see, it is not there in my book, okay, this is my IPC, so it is nothing there. If you are fighting with your brother, thank you very much. So, from there we have to change and we will have to intervene there so that we make sure that we nip it in the bud. It does not increase into, and it is our responsibility also.
Goa government has sanctioned the 300 posts for lady police personnel. Out of 300, there will be 80 posts for lady sub-inspector and remaining 220 posts for lady police constables.
Lady sub-inspector and about 4-5 lady constables in every police station to attend to women's issues.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Konkan Railway's ambitious Sky Bus is a history now. KRC at last has begun demolition of the Sky Bus test track at Margao. While the corporation spent almost 50 crores on the test track, technology and the coaches, it will earn just 9 crores from the sale of Sky Bus scrap. The 1.6 kilometers long Sky Bus track is being demolished now.
The ambitious project of the KRC was shelved after it suffered a setback following accident during a test trial in September 2004. Accident killed an engineer on site and injured 3 other employees during a trial as the coaches hit the track pillars. Despite several attempts by the KRC, the project under trial could not get the green signal for safety and finally met its fate after a decade.
The contractor has to, we have earmarked for 400 meters, that 4 sections, okay. It's 1.6 kilometers. So for that 400 meters, he has to deposit the amount with Konkan Railway and then start the demolition work. Konkan Railway has done a sale tender for this and Konkan Railway will be earning around 9 crores by selling scrap. And the contractor, Mrs. Ganesh Construction.
Several parties in the metro cities and the cities abroad had shown interest in the KRC Skybus technology as an option to decongest the metro traffic. 10-kilometer long Skybus project was at the erection and initial trial stage in Goa. 1-kilometer long track was complete. The project, instead of being a success, turned into a tragedy, leading to loss of several crores and man-hours for the KRC. Savio Dice for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.